Imagine launching and running a 7-figure business as a solo founder with no employees and no massive overhead. Today's AI tools make that not just possible, but practical. We're diving into specific tools that entrepreneurs like Dan Martell use to scale smart, fast, and lean. Subscribe to LexFluent for more entrepreneurial insights. Why Solo plus AI is the new scale formula. Scaling traditionally meant hiring staff, managing teams, and increasing operational costs. But AI is changing everything. A solo operator today can assemble a digital team from tools, generating content, handling support, automating workflows, and even coding without managing payroll or logistics. Dan Martell's approach isn't hypothetical. These tools are battle-tested in businesses earning 7 figures annually. Number 1. Fathom. AI Meeting Assistant, Transcription, Highlights, CRM Sync. Fathom attaches to Zoom, Google Meet, or Teams meetings as a visible bot and captures audio in real time. It transcribes in over 28 languages with speaker labels, tags key moments, and frames structured summaries automatically within seconds of a meeting ending. You can instantly create and share clips for Slack or CRM and sync summaries and action items directly into HubSpot, Salesforce, Asana, Notion, and more. Users report it saves around 20 minutes per meeting, adding up to over a week back per year. This means one person can handle many more client sessions or sales calls while staying focused on the conversation instead of scrambling to take notes. Number 2. Cursor, AI-powered IDE for builders. Cursor from Anysphere is an AI-powered, integrated development environment based on Visual Studio Code. Released in early 2025, it features agent mode, smart rewrites, code-based querying via natural language, and deep code autocompletion. It can generate new code, refine refactoring across large files, answer questions about your codebase, and let you write through prompts like add authentication flow or document this function. Cursor even supports privacy controls so your code never leaves your machine if desired. And it's built for macOS, Windows, and Linux. For solo entrepreneurs building MVPs or plugins, it's essentially a virtual coding partner that accelerates software delivery without hiring developers. Number 3. Notebook LM, Google's AI research and summarization assistant. Notebook LM, launched in July 2023 by Google Labs, is a powerful AI research tool powered by Gemini. It lets you upload up to 50 sources, PDFs, Google Docs, web pages, audio, YouTube, and slides, and instantly interact with them. Notebook LM generates written summaries, study guides, timelines, facts, and even AI-hosted audio discussions called audio overviews. 2 AI voices summarizing your materials as a mini podcast. These conversations can be downloaded and shared, and there's a new join feature where you can interrupt and ask the AI to clarify during playback, only on beta. Users on Reddit report that the audio outputs feel incredibly real and make learning dense topics much more engaging. Notebook LM is effective not just for research, but for organizing your own business playbooks, marketing plans, creative content, and turning blocks of text into interactive outputs fast. Number 4. ChatGPT and Claude, versatile writing and brainstorming assistants. OpenAI's ChatGPT and Anthropic's Claude are generalist LLMs that excel at generating or refining written content, blog posts, landing pages, ad copy, email, scripts, or even business strategy. Martell often runs prompts through both models for output comparison, combining Claude's nuanced tone with ChatGPT's conciseness or clarity. By layering them, you get sharper, more refined content. While there's no single source cited here, their capabilities are widely documented in review articles and case studies. Number 5. Gamma, AI-generated presentations and visual content. Gamma transforms any idea or script into sleek, modern pitch decks, proposals, or slide presentations within minutes. It offers hundreds of smart templates and visual blocks, supports embedding graphics or video, and exports to PDF, PowerPoint, Google Slides, or shareable link format. You simply upload or paste your script or outline, and Gamma arranges it into a branded polished deck, ideal when time is limited, but visual quality matters. Number 6. Icon, instant design assets from prompts. Icons AI lets you generate icons, logos, app visuals, and brand assets from plain language description, luxury travel vibe with navy and gold. While specifics are less documented publicly, these tools often integrate with other AI stacks to provide consistent branding across content, landing pages, and social assets. Number 7. Lovable.dev, Developer Experience and Automation Aid. Lovable.dev focuses on improving developer productivity by automating documentation, running code quality checks, and offering refactoring recommendations. It streamlines code hygiene, allowing solo developers to maintain clean, reliable code bases without spending hours polishing README files or CI pipelines. Number 8. Revio, Audio and Video Summarization and Repurposing. Revio handles transcription, summarization, and segmentation of long audio or video content. For example, you can record a Zoom coaching session and auto-generate bite-sized insights or clips. It enables you to turn long videos into social posts, newsletters, or course modules, supporting content repurposing efficiently. Number 9. Your Atlas, Visual Mapping of Knowledge, Funnels or Journeys. Your Atlas is a tool for mapping complex connections, product funnels, mind maps, customer journeys, or feature trees. Use it to visualize relationships, show growth plans, or build interactive documentation. It brings clarity to strategy and helps internal logic become external visuals, perfect for pitches or planning. Number 10. Gumloop, Content Distribution Automation. Gumloop automates the process of turning one content piece into many formats. Blog posts, the Twitter thread, Instagram carousel, LinkedIn post, email draft, and more. It handles scheduling, repurposing, and cross-platform distribution, dramatically reducing the time spent managing social media and content syndication. Number 11. ChatAid, 24/7 AI Customer Support Assistant. ChatAid is an AI chatbot built to support e-commerce, SaaS, or course platforms. It can handle frequently asked questions, onboard new leads, and resolve simple issues, and route complex cases to human staff when needed. ChatAid automates customer service without sacrificing responsiveness or hiring support reps. Number 12. N8N, Workflow Automations Without Code. N8N is an open-source automation platform that connects all the tools in your stack. Fathom, Notion, Gumloop, Revio, Slack, CRM systems, you name it. You build logic like, when meeting ends in Fathom, push summary to Notion, send a snippet to Slack, create tasks in Asana. It turns fragmented workflows into unified systems, so your solo operation runs with organizational clarity. Number 13. Precision, Data Cleanup and Enrichment AI. Precision lets you clean up messy data, contact lists, CRM entries, analytics exports, and automatically tag, merge, and structure it intelligently. It surfaces insights, finds duplicates, corrects typos, and organizes data sets so you can operate like an ops team without hiring one. Integrating the stack, how they work together. What makes these tools powerful is how they mesh. Use ChatGPT or Claude to generate blog content or marketing scripts, feed into Gamma for presentations or landing page visuals, research ideas with Notebook LM, extract quotes, facts, and key themes, design decks with Gamma and icons with Icon, build software or MVP features using Cursor, maintain quality with Lovable Dev, integrate via N8N, run sales calls via Zoom plus Fathom, summarize with action items, send follow-ups automatically via N8N, push content snippets into Gumloop for social distribution, record episodes or client webinars, repurpose via Revio, distribute via Gumloop, manage support via ChatAid, keep clean data via Precision, and manage everything via N8N workflows. Each tool plays a specific role and multiplies your capacity, turning one person into a lean but highly capable team. We're in an AI golden era. Founders like Dan Martell are showing that it's not about owning machines, it's about owning workflows. These tools are all publicly available in 2025, and many offer free or startup-friendly tiers like Fathom's no-cost plan and Notebook LM's Google One integration. The economic leverage lies in stacking them, using AI to automate repeat tasks, increase output, and deliver high value consistently, without employees, without office space, and without ballooning costs. Are you ready to turn solo ambition into sustainable success using AI? Tell us which workflow you'd like to try first. For more ideas on scaling smarter, not harder, click the video up there. Make sure you're subscribed to LexFluent. Get fluent, stay fluent.